Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you some additional details and features that you can change and look at when you're inside of a transaction in Revel. So let's start by just changing the quantity of a product. So I'm going to look at the 15 milliliter home oil, and I'm just going to change the quantity. So the first thing that you'll do is you'll start by selecting that item or just touching it using your finger on the touchpad. So once you touch the product, what you'll see is a menu pops open for that product, and then you'll immediately see that quantity button right there. So I'm just going to increase that plus sign to 3. And once I'm done with that, I can just click apply, and it's going to automatically now charge me for 3 of those 15 milliliter home oils. So now I get 3 for 15, as you can see. Okay. And now I'm going to show you how, let's say you were going through, you realize you selected the wrong item or the wrong fragrance or modifier. So on this bath bomb kit, I'm going to just touch that. And you're going to see modifiers shown that lets me pick the different bath bombs. So as you can see, if I wanted to change, maybe the Moscow Mule to be in mango and aloe bath bomb, I could do that. So let me just change one of these. So you just deselect the one that I do have. And I'm going to go ahead and just select another one for you. That way you see that change take place. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm going to touch that. All right, so as you can see, once I make that change in that edit, that occurs in real time. I'm going to show you also how now to just basically delete or void an item. You can do one of two ways. You can go back to the item itself, and there was a delete button at the bottom. As you can see, remove item. You can do that. You click that in red. Or if you touch the item and you just kind of lightly swipe to the left, you'll see a delete option that comes up. Typically, items that have a modifier may require you to actually remove them. But those are two ways you can get rid of an item if you're not looking to charge them inside of that transaction. Okay, I'm going to show you also something that's available here that we do. You guys see that little menu that's at the bottom where we're scrolling. Along that menu, you'll see something for discounting order. So you can see the order discount. So of course, we can use this for any mall discount or any employee discount that you'd like to. And you'll see some other options there, such as change the quantity as well. You can barcode or you can add an item. You also see there a dining option, which is where we select a phone order. If you need to open the cash drawer for any reason, all of those options are there for you to go ahead and scroll through. So now I'm going to show you all how to basically go through a transaction. At this point, as you can see, this is our rewards program right now. I'm going to show you how to do a split payment. Once you've selected the customer, and now you can see, again, that option that pops up to show you the products I like and how many times I visited. I'm going to cancel. I'm not going to use the reward right now. I'm just going to do a split payment. So if you look at the bottom, you'll see where it says split bill. It's right underneath those order options. Once you click split bill, immediately what pops up is a way that you can split this. So you can do it however you want to by a number of people. If you want to do this by a certain amount, if you want to do it by somebody pays for the item, you can. I'm just going to select manually just to tell the system what I want to do. So it asks you how many people, so the system can divide out exactly how many total transactions that you'll have total within this one order, and not 25. I'm going to just select 2. And let's say one person of the 3339 wants to pay $20. So I only have to indicate one amount either way since it's 2 people. So I'm going to put 20, and then I press OK. And then once I press 20, what you'll see now is this paying menu. So this literally has 2 options, as you can see. I can start with the left side, whoever's going to pay just $20. So if I'm going to only put $20 on a debit card, or if I only want $20 to be applied in whatever way, I can go to that transaction by pressing pay check, and then you can finish that one. Or you can go to the one that has a $13.39, the remaining balance, and you can press pay check there. As you can see at the top, if you wanted to go back to the order screen, or if you needed to start over, you could. But this is why you would do a split payment.